Right, let us start solving 15th one. This problem is also based on profit loss. Rahul purchases a chair for 600 and uses rupees 200 for repairs. If he sells it for 1000, then they have given 4 options, that is no profit, no loss, 25% loss, 25% profit cannot be calculated. Let us check out here. The cost price of the chair. Cost price of the chair is equal to the purchase price, that is 600 rupees, plus repair charges, that is 200, which is going to be 800 rupees. Right. Selling price is equal to what? It is 1000 rupees they have given. Now, by observing this, selling price is more than cost price. So that's what we are going to get the profit, right? So now we need to find out profit percent. So profit percent is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. Selling price is 1000, that into 100, correct? 1000 minus 800 cost price, that divided by 800 into 100. Now simplify it. 100 minus 800 is 200. 200 by 800 into 100. Now simplify it. Answer, right? 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 ones are 4 25s are. So the answer is 25% profit.